Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, today's video is very important for Tech Mahindra board interview, and today we are just discussing live practice guys on technical board type of interview, and what you need to do in that interview we'll discuss live. Okay, so video can tak banega, and guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button, because guys, we are daily uploading the placement material for you only and preparation. And guys, if you have not applied in this Accenture, go and check out this once guys. Just now I have posted this video, you can go and check out once guys, that is very important. Okay, and guys, please in today's video I take around 1 to 2 hours for making the material, and I have tried my best for discussing this topic guys. So please like, share and subscribe this video guys. Okay, and subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started guys, what I have done in this video, okay, for you. So first of all guys, in this interview a bot is there, we all know, but no one know ki what type of question is asked and how we can give that interview. So we'll discuss in this video only guys. We'll discuss common interview question, pattern, syllabus. Okay, and last slot question and answer we'll discuss. Don't worry about it. So let us get started guys. When you enter in the interview guys, the first question, the first screen is like that. The first screen is like that guys. I would like to align my question based upon what you know the best. Please let me know your preferred programming language. We'll discuss some programming topic and general IT stuff. So that is your first question guys. Okay, in Tech Mahindra board exam guys. Okay, so let's discuss. So just an example guys, I select C/C++. So whatever you want, if you have a knowledge about Java, you just select Java. If you have C++ knowledge, you can select C++. If you have C sharp, you can select C sharp guys. Clear? And so let me select one option guys. Okay, so I have just select C++. Okay, and submit button is also there obviously, and I just select C and C++ guys, and I just click on submit button guys. If I, after clicking guys, it this type of interface is shown. Hello Priyanshu, I have just used my name only guys, है ना? I have not used any another person any another person name guys. So hello Priyanshu, can we ask you a few questions? Appreciate your response. Should we go? Priyanshu, let us discuss about class and object. Shall we? So if you want, you just select no. Let's discuss some another topic, or if you have another option that is sure. So I just click on guys. Sure, you can select proceed. So after proceed guys, next screen is opened. Okay, and in that one guys, I have a question. Priyanshu, can you tell C++ is a? Okay, so I can select oops, I know C++ is a object oriented programming language guys. Clear? So next question, if I select oops, then the next window is like that. Not that maybe they are asking you more question, more MCQs, but I have only take a single question guys. I have not take a lot of questions. Okay, question is very simple, MCQ based type question, and one different type question is like that. That type of screen is given guys. And here Priyanshu, hand on time. Okay sir, the code along calculation area of square. So guys, here is a code screen. Okay, that is your code screen guys. Here is a code screen, and some built-in code is there guys, some built-in code, and maybe you need to write a whole logic. Okay, you need to write a logic or maybe code. Okay, and here you have a timer, you have a 4 minutes to complete these tasks, and you need to first run the code, and then you can submit the code guys. After running, you will see your code is passed or not, and after that guys, you will submit the code guys. You just click on submit. This thing is clear guys to everyone, because that is very important. If you are giving the answer, that is great, yeah, right? So in these way guys, the bot asks you the code. Clear? They are just giving the question at a left side, and then it will give the pseudo code or maybe a code. They are basically guys, they are asking to write a whole code, not whole, sorry, functional programming only, means you have a one function or maybe half code. Okay, it's depend on Tech Mahindra board guys. I can't say 100%, but yes guys, in some cases they are giving you the code, you need to complete the code, you need to find the error. And 2 to 3 types of question they are asking in this window. First type is guys, maybe you need to write a whole code. That is very rare case. Next condition is guys, you have a built-in code, you need to write only logic. The third case is guys, maybe pseudocode is there guys, and you need to correct, you need to check the error where the error is there, and you need to simple correct that error. Clear? So that is all about this screen, guys. Let's move to next. After submitting, guys, or if your timer is got completed, if you done 4 minutes, guys, it will automatically submit. Clear? So let me click on submit. Just an imagine I have run the code and click on that submit. After submitting, guys, it will ask more questions like, can we know, can we now go over other web development related stuff like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So you have a more comfortable, right? If you have a knowledge, you can select sure. If you have not knowledge, you can select no. JavaScript, some other else, please. So I have just click no JavaScript, some other else, please. Then this screen is coming. Just an example. Priyanshu can now some question about cloud based. So if you have a cloud based knowledge, guys, you can select sure. If you have not knowledge, you can simply click on not comfortable with that concept. They will ask you another concept then, guys. Just an example, they ask you, Priyanshu, now some question about SQL. So you have an option sure or not comfortable, some another topic, other topic. Clear? So in these way, guys, that interview is going on. This type of interview, guys, I just search a lot of video on YouTube, but guys, that type of video is not available on whole YouTube, guys. And guys, this video take a lot of time for making, guys. You not try, do not believe. So that's why I'm saying, guys, please subscribe here, है ना? Please subscribe our YouTube channel, guys, as much possible, and please share this video with your friends, guys. Okay, let us move to next, guys. Okay, so let me click no comfortable some another topic. So after that, guys, they will ask you thank you for taking, and this is the last page, na? Not after that, actually. That is the last page. Okay, that is the last page, guys. If you select that, guys, ठीक है? ये क्या है हमारा last page है. Okay, the last page says thank you for taking. What else? I think that all what I had to chat about. If you have any another question, suggest or feedback, please feel free to mention below. Even though I will not be able to respond to right now, मैं अभी नहीं दे सकता reply. But guys, but I will pass it to the concerned person for sure. Do you have any question or anything? If you have anything, guys, if you want to give feedback, if you ask any question, you can select on yes please, or if you select no thank you, then let's see what type of interfaces are there. Oh my god, done. Our interview is done, guys. Not done, है ना? Actually interview is done, but guys, in this video I just try to show you what things in the main interview, what type of interview is there, guys. If you watch this video very seriously, guys, then 100% you will clear what Tech Mahindra board round, guys. Now tips and trick. The first tip is, guys, first watch this complete video. If you understand, then okay. If you are unable to understand any point, just comment out, guys. The next point is, इसको मैं एंड पे लेके जाता हूँ, ठीक है? The next point is, some question answer is available on Google, so you can try. I can't say, ठीक है? You can try on your responsibility or your risk, on your risk you can try, no problem. The next thing is, guys, just try to learn some basic concept. Like in a oops we have a object oriented in a class object, in oops we have a class object polymorphism interface. In a Java, some basic things you need to know. If I'm talking about programming, you just know basic programs, guys. And like palindrome, Fibonacci series, addition, subtraction, triangle based question, rectangle based question, this type of question you can prefer from Google. Just try to know. And SQL also there, guys, है ना? If you have a knowledge, see, basically they are asking for each and every technology. Maybe it's C, C++, Java, Python. First they are taking, sorry, not Python is there, C, C++, and Java. First they are taking any language. If you select whatever language, whatever knowledge you have, okay, C, C++, Java, और जो भी वहाँ लैंग्वेज दिया हो, ठीक है? सी शार्प एक्चुअली. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, गाइस, after that, if you have complete that section, there is no optional, है ना? All the things are optional, guys, ठीक है? All the questions are optional, nothing is compulsory. But round is elimination and nothing is compulsory, ठीक है? It's totally depend on you want to give or not, guys. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपको उसको फेस करना है या नहीं करना है, ठीक है? ये आप ही के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन यू. If you know the answer, then you can select yes. Else, guys, please be honest in that interview. Please be honest, okay? you can select no, I haven't not knowledge about that. Clear? So this is all about this bot interview. How you feel guys, please let me know in comment कैसा था वीडियो. ठीक है, फटाफट से वीडियो में कमेंट करके बताओ guys how you are feeling this video, and should we make more videos, should we make a all questions that was asked in real exam, should we ask all the question guys? If yes, just let me know, but I will make that video after 1k view of this video है ना. If you complete 200 likes plus 1k views, then I will try to make that video as well. So that's why I'm saying you, please share this video as much possible guys, because there is no video on YouTube related to that type of question, that type of material right now. Okay, so try to share this video with your friends. And guys, a lot of material we have already uploaded on our same YouTube channel guys. Please see that material, please check out all the material. If you need any placement material guys, we have already uploaded, because guys 450 plus video we have already done on our YouTube channel guys. Clear? So just go and check out once our YouTube channel guys. If you are new, if you are old guys, please try to share our YouTube channel, our videos with your friends and in your college group guys. Clear? Please try to support our YouTube channel guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. I hope you enjoy in today's video a lot. So we'll meet on next video with new hirings or with placement materials. And guys, one more thing I just want to discuss with you, that is, if you have not joined our Telegram channel here, please join. Okay, please join our Telegram channel as well now only. Okay, now only just join our Telegram channel as well, so that you just updated with hirings guys, because many times you will not get, you will just skip the YouTube notification at that time guys. This Telegram is useful. Okay, so go and join. I will share all the links in the description. And guys, if you have not applied in this Accenture hiring guys, there is a great opportunity for experience as well as freshers. So go and apply. And AAC role is there, 4.5 LPA. The package is 4.5 LPA. Go and check out this hiring guys. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching this. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button here. It's free of cost. Okay, so thank you. We'll meet on next video. Take care. Bye bye and best of luck for your interview. ठीक है, so bye bye guys. Take care.